Attaching a photo to a text on a Galaxy S24 allows you to easily share images with others directly through your messaging app, making it convenient to send visual content to friends and family. Here's how it's done. First, open the Messages app on your Galaxy S24. You can either start a new conversation or open an existing one from your list. Then choose your recipient. Type your message in the text field. To attach a photo, tap the arrow icon to the left of the text field to open additional options, then tap on the image icon. Browse through your gallery, select the photo you want to send, and it will appear at the top of your message. When you're ready, tap the Send button to send your message along with the photo. Alternatively, you can share a photo directly from the gallery app. Open the gallery and find the album with the photo you want to share. Tap on the photo to open it, then tap the share icon at the bottom. Choose Messages as your sharing option, select a recipient, and type a message if you'd like. Once everything is ready, tap the Send icon to share the photo instantly. And that's it. Now you know how to attach or send a photo via text message on your Galaxy S24. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more handy tutorials.